Namaste. It's a quick video about few remedies. I'm giving you the handy remedies. It's like the tidbits you can use in your daily life and grow yourself. It's for growth and protection, to attract and to dispel. There are few small little things I have here you can use. We all know about the magic of magnet. We know how it works. The work of the magnet is to attract, to pull. Okay, so here I am giving you a small spell about money first, because that is the survival force and we all need money, including me. You should not be greedy, but yes, we all need money. This is a cinnamon powder. What you have to do is, on a Thursday morning or the evening, during waxing moon phase or whenever needed, just take a little bit of cinnamon powder in your palm and rub a magnet into it. Okay, fully rub it and think of that. Okay, you are attracting money, because the quality of cinnamon is hot, and it attracts wealth according to the folklores and folk magic. Cinnamon has the power to attract and heal. So you can, if you are facing any money issues related, issues related to finances, you can just charge a magnet, any size, any shape of magnet, with the cinnamon powder. Rub the cinnamon powder on it, and you can use also, you can just add cinnamon oil also. First you need to anoint it with the oil, then use the cinnamon powder, and then you can just stick it to the wall, the entrance door, or nail it on the door. So it will attract the wealth inside. It should be hung outside the door. It should be nailed outside the door. So it will attract the money from out sources. Okay. And the other thing is, this is for money. Okay. The other thing for money is, these are called the Gomati chakras. See, you can see the shape, the infinite circle in it, or the number 6 in it. Okay, the number of wealth and materialism. You can charge these Gomati chakras also. These are called Gomati chakra. It's found in the seabed. Okay, so you can anoint these Gomati chakras also with the cinnamon powder. If you don't find any magnet in the house, or if it is not easily obtainable, you can use these Gomati chakras. Okay, and you can make even a ring, and which can be worn on your right hand's first finger, which is called the finger of Guru, the finger of Thor. So you can wear it, should be in the silver, it should be made of silver, and you can wear it on Thursday morning to attract wealth and for protection. And when you are looking for protection regarding money, oh, there is a cat. Meow, I'm sitting here, you cannot disturb me. Out! He is gone. His name is Goldie, and he has a habit to always come and interrupt. Anyways, it's a nice cat, bobcat. Okay, so what I was talking to you is the protection. If you are looking for protection as far as money is concerned, you can use Gomati chakra, and also in general protection we can use these 7 Gomati chakras anointed with neem oil, and you have to tie them together in a black cloth, and it should be hung over the door, outside your door. So it will protect the households and belongings and the money. Okay, so this is Gomati chakra. And as I told you in my previous video, that when you are in urgent need of money, just take a little bit of cinnamon powder and blow it and ask for money, money come to me, money, money come to me, money, money come to me. Okay. The other spell for money is, if you have no powder, no cinnamon powder, you can take 3 cinnamon sticks tied in the red thread, tie them in the red thread, 3 knots, and it should be hung outside your door and inside your door. Okay. So you have to make 2 sets of 3 cinnamon sticks tied in the red thread and hung over the door, outside and inside. Okay. This is another spell for money and protection. And other spell is star anise. You must be seeing this. Oh wow, the smell is so good. Okay, so these herbs are available in the kitchen, and see how magical they are. So this is what I'm spreading, that you have magic in your own self. You have the magic in your house. You have the magic in your kitchen. Use that. We have the magic everywhere. Magic is in the air. Magic is in the nature. Use nature for your own self and for others' good also. Okay, so this is a star anise. It is called chakri phool in Hindi. So this can also be used to attract money, for protection, and also for good health. Okay, you have to take 7 star anise, whole star anise. It should not be broken like this. Okay, it should not be the broken ones, with the seed inside. Okay, so 7 star anise in a red cloth, tie them with the red thread, and either you can carry them as a lucky charm, or you can keep it in your house, anywhere, on your altar, in your prayer place. So it will protect the house and also will attract good energies, good entities, which will protect the house and your work also, and you will be saved from evil eye. Okay, so now here are few. Okay, before that, before I show you the runes, I would suggest you to wear black bead amulet. This is an amulet, can be worn in your wrist. So made of black beads, and there is a Chinese coin tied. Okay, this is to attract wealth without any obstacles. Okay, so, and for new projects, if you are going for some new projects, you want to get them signed from the other party, or you are going for something which is new, you are going to begin something, so you can use this charm or the amulet and sign the papers, and you can wear it afterwards also. It will protect and will bring victory and success. Okay, one thing. Now this is the pipe. Okay, this you have to fill it with the tobacco. It's good, not good for health. You should not be using it for yourself. I am not suggesting that. I am not recommending that. What I am saying is, you have to fill it with tobacco and leave it on the crossroads to Papa Legba. It is an offering to Papa Legba to bring you luck, open the doors towards good luck and success and victory and happiness and money and whatever you want. Okay, while filling it with tobacco, you have to think what you want from Papa Legba. Leave it on the crossroads and ask Papa Legba. Ask his favors for you and also protection. See, sometimes we ask so many things for ourselves. I want this, I want that, but we forget then the protection. Protection is always must. Then when you are shielded, you can ask anything, that also will be shielded. Okay. Now the last thing is the runes. If you have little bit knowledge about runes, you can use them in your magic. Okay, like you can add these runes, not the physical ones. You can make the same rune on a square piece of paper, like Soilo is the rune of sun, brightness, happiness, success, victory, new beginnings. Okay, so you can make this Soilo, or the Tivas is for it's a tower rune, and it is for tower in a positive way. It is the arrow which is going upwards, and very good for spiritual upliftment. Berkano, the rune of goddess, fertility. Okay, so like this you can use, if you have the knowledge of runes, you can use these runes you know, as an add-ons with your these spells I just suggested, like the Gomati Chakra, and you can add one rune into, like writing on a piece of paper with the red ink, because red is the color of power and protection and the success. So it can be written on the square piece of paper or round piece of paper, any one single rune, and add it with your spell. It will help you enhance the spell and speed up the result. So this was the small session, small video for the daily spells you can use in your house when you are facing. See, these things are available in your kitchen. A few things like the Gomati Chakra you will have to buy, but cinnamon is available. Cumin seeds are good for protection and good health, and coriander is for growth. So these things can be used. I'll be coming up with the next video would be the herbs from the kitchen. So I'll be telling you about how you can use these things like coriander, cumin seeds, or asparagus for protection, okay, and cinnamon, basil. There are hundreds of things you can use from your kitchen for growth, for happiness in life. So magic is everywhere. You just need to see, you need to look into the matter, you need to look into the nature, you need to get attuned with nature, you need to connect yourself with the nature. When you are connected to the nature, you are already protected, and when you are protected, then definitely growth is there. When growth is there, success is there. When success is there, you are confident. When you are confident, then you know how you behave, how you walk, how you talk. So these things are all interrelated, interconnected. You need to work on yourself. Don't see what others are doing. That is none of your business. You should be focusing on your things. You should be focused. You should work for yourself, not for others. If you want success in life, work on yourself. This I am saying in all my videos. So it's good if you follow these small tidbits, and it will help you live happily. Okay, this was a small video. Thank you Aditi, thank you Riddhi Padwal, the camera woman behind the camera always and doing my videos. So special thanks to her. And yes, thanks to all my viewers who are watching this video, all my videos, and if they are getting some results, if you are getting any results after the firecracker, something good is going to happen. Okay, so if you are using my spells and they have given you some help, some relief, please come forward and tell me, so I can bring you more and better and powerful more spells for you, because I keep doing research every day. It's my own research work which I am doing since ages now, to bring you the best in nature, and how nature helps you, how nature is waiting for your command, that you command and she is there to fulfill. Do not try to harm anyone, because whatever you are going to do will get back to you many folds. Whatever. So do good, good will come to you. And do bad, that also will be coming back to you many folds. Then you cannot blame others that, okay, he has done, these people have done. No. Do good. Be good. Okay? Here I'll take a leave. Now I'm going. I'll be coming maybe in a day or two with the video on herbs, spices in your kitchen, how you can use them. Take care. Stay good. Stay protected. Stay blessed. Blessed be. Bye-bye. Namaste.